Hello everybody, myself Dr. Shoma Boni, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Women's College, Agartala. Today we will have a discussion on simple diode clipper circuits. Such circuits can clip off a portion of the input signal. They are also known as voltage or current limiters. They are useful for signal processing, signal shaping, circuit protection and communications. Now there are a wide variety of diode clipping circuits. Let us first start with simple shunt clippers without bias. Now this is a simple shunt clipper without bias. Input signal applied is Vi. For positive half cycle, that is Vi greater than 0, the diode is reverse bias. So this path is open and as a result we will get input voltage as it is at the output. So for positive half cycle, that is Vi greater than 0, V0 is equal to Vi. And for negative half cycle, that is Vi less than 0, diode is now conducting as it is forward bias and as a result V0 equal to 0 under ideal diode approximation. So in this case the clipper circuit has clipped off negative half cycles of the applied input signal. That's why it is called a negative clipper circuit without bias. Now this is the figure for a positive clipper without bias. Now why positive clipper? Because output shows no positive half cycles. In this case, for Vi greater than 0, the diode is forward bias and under ideal diode approximation output will be short circuited, so output will be equal to 0. For Vi less than 0, the diode is reverse biased, so this path is now short circuited and as a result we will get input voltage as it is in the output. Now let us move to the next section. Here we considered bias. Now in this figure diode is used with a positive voltage V. Now with input voltage greater than V, input voltage in this portion, when input voltage is greater than the reference voltage V, the diode is reverse biased and as a result output voltage will become equal to input voltage. For Vi less than V, the diode is forward bias, so again under ideal diode approximation these voltage, output voltage will become equal to the reference voltage applied, that is equal to V, and which is clear from the output drawn here. Now this figure shows negative clipper with negative bias. Now here also we find a certain portion of the negative cycle of the applied input voltage is clipped off. Here when Vi, that is input voltage, is less than the reference voltage here which is minus V, V0 is equal to minus V. Here in this case the diode is forward bias, so under ideal diode approximation again output will be equal to minus V. And for input voltage greater than minus V, the diode is reverse bias, so this path is now open and as a result we will get input voltage as it is at the output. Now in the next part we considered positive clipper with positive bias. Also we see that a certain portion of the input voltage in the positive half cycle is clipped off. For Vi greater than V, the diode is forward bias and it is clear, as we have discussed earlier also, the output will be equal to the reference voltage V. and for Vi less than V, the diode is reverse biased, and as a result, for all these part, the diode will reverse bias and will get input voltage as it is at the output. Now this is a positive clipper circuit with negative bias. In this case, for input voltage less than the applied reference voltage minus V, the diode is reverse biased. As a result, this path is open circuited and output will be equal to the input voltage, as it is clear from the figure. And for Vi greater than minus V, that is for this portion, the upper portion of this minus V level, the diode is forward bias, and again under ideal diode approximation, it will be minus V at the output. So here we have discussed simply shunt clipper without bias and with bias. And the next section we will further move with other clipper circuits. Thank you.